An equation is more than just numbers and letters, it's a story. And sketching a graph is how you turn that story into a visual masterpiece. It's the fastest way to see the behavior of a relationship. Does a car slow down at a steady rate? Does a cost rise sharply? Let's draw the picture. The most reliable way to draw any line is the table of values method. Think of it as building a foundation. You choose 3 simple values for x, substitute them into your equation to find their matching y partners, and plot those 3 points. Y-free? It's your secret error catcher. 2 points will always make a line, even if one is wrong. But if your 3 points don't line up perfectly, you know you've made a calculation mistake. But what if you need speed? Professionals use the intercept method. Every line crosses the 2 main axes at some point, and all you need are those 2 points. To find the y-intercept, the point on the vertical axis, you simply set x to 0 and solve. To find the x-intercept on the horizontal axis, you set y to 0 and solve. Plot those 2 points, connect them with a ruler, and you're done in seconds. For an equation like y equals 2x minus 6, setting x to 0 gives you -6. Setting y to 0 gives you +3. Plot the points 0, -6, and 3, 0, and you have your line. There's also the gradient-intercept method, which works like a set of directions. If your equation is in the classic y equals mx plus c form, you start at the y-intercept, your base camp. Then you use the gradient, or slope, as your directions for rise over run. A slope of 2/3 means you go up 2 units and right 3 units to find your next point. So, which to choose? Use the table for tricky equations. Use intercepts for lightning-fast sketches. But no matter the method, a professional sketch is always a clear one. Label your axes, add arrows to your line, and write the equation. Now, you're not just solving math, you're telling its story.